All right, let's jump right into it. Welcome to another explainer. Today, we're zeroing in on a massive milestone in the data world, and we're breaking down the ultimate roadmap to get you there. Tech Horizon's complete guide to the Snowflake SnowPro Core Certification. If you've been hunting for that structured, heavy-hitting material to get you totally exam-ready, well, you are definitely in the right place.
So let me ask you, are you actually targeting the SnowPro Core certification? Because if you're an IT pro, a data engineer, or a cloud architect listening right now, you know this isn't just some random badge to slap on a resume. No way. This is a critical hurdle you have to clear to prove you actually know your stuff when it comes to the Snowflake data cloud. And to clear that hurdle, you need a rock-solid strategy. You need a roadmap that doesn't just skim the surface, but literally pulls you deep into the material for true understanding.
Which brings us to part 1, the Certification Challenge.
Look, the Snowflake SnowPro Core Certification, it's incredibly demanding. It's not a walk in the park. It is the absolute, laser-focused subject matter of the comprehensive guide we're unpacking today. When you're out there looking for prep material, this specific, rigorous certification is the exact target you need locked in your crosshairs.
So, where exactly do we go to tackle all this? Let's move to Section 2, Meet Tech Horizon. To make things super easy, let's break this resource down into 3 bite-sized pieces. First up, the platform. Everything lives right there on the Tech Horizon channel, which is basically your new dedicated hub. Second, the creator driving all this content, Anand Vemula. And third, the focus, a complete certification guide. Honestly, this kind of structured breakdown is exactly how you should be approaching your study plan anyway, knowing exactly where your resources are, who's delivering them to you, and what they actually cover.
And speaking of who's delivering the content, let's go to part 3, your guide, Anand Vemula.
You know, when you're wading through something as dense and complicated as the SnowPro Core exam, who is actually breaking those ideas down for you matters immensely. Hosted by Anand Vemula, this guide gives you that consistent, clear voice you really need. He's essentially your mentor here. He completely anchors the learning experience, taking all that intimidating, complex data and making it totally accessible. Now let's look at the actual material itself in Section 4, the complete guide.
And really, the magic word here is complete. This resource is purposefully built to cover the entire spectrum of what the exam is going to throw at you. It is your unified, one-stop path to really understanding the platform. It totally eliminates that annoying friction of, constantly bouncing around a dozen different tabs or books trying to piece it all together. You can just stay completely dialed in on learning the core material efficiently.
So that leaves us with one final, totally crucial question. Are you ready to dive into the complete guide with Anand Vemula on Tech Horizon? We've laid out exactly what this resource is, who built it, and where it's waiting for you. The roadmap to completely crushing that SnowPro Core certification is literally right in front of you. Now, it's just up to you to actually engage with it and conquer that exam. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer. Now go get certified.